Unlocking the secrets of successful container gardening. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of container gardening. A fantastic way to bring greenery and freshness to even the smallest spaces. Check out these vibrant container gardens. First things first, let's talk containers. Opt for containers with proper drainage, ensuring your plants get the right balance of water. You can get creative with materials, but functionality is key. The foundation of a thriving container garden is good soil. Explore the world of potting mixes and understand the needs of your specific plants. Learn how to create the perfect blend for your container garden. Now, the fun part: choosing your plants. Dive into a variety of options suitable for containers. From herbs and flowers to compact vegetables, here's some expert tips on pairing plants. For a harmonious container garden, proper watering is crucial for container gardens. Learn the art of keeping your plants hydrated without drowning them. Some essential maintenance tips to keep your garden flourishing. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Some design ideas to elevate your container gardening game. Whether it's vertical gardens or themed arrangements, we've got you covered. Let's share some common questions in the comments section. I'll try to address your questions in an upcoming Q&A video. Thank you for joining us on this container gardening adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.